Yo, this is 2020 Premium Football, number 20. 5 times for 5 times. See what numeral we are getting. Is lit once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and number 7. Number 7, perfect, right on top. Right on top, number 7. Okay, 21, 2020, Premium Football. Okay. Okay, Premium Football. Alright, Specialty Mini, Carlos. 7, 11, good. Alright, got another Specialty Mini rolling. Very good. Alright, let me get number 7. Should be right on top. It is number 7. Not really sure what's left in the series, but only a handful of these left. Only a handful of these left. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Angie Tree, John 2, Gilbert with 6, John 1, Charles 6, Kevin 2, Boaty 2, James Cross 5, and Amanda with a 5-piece as well. Alright, 5 times here, guys. So let's get it on. Let's get it on. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Gilbert, you're on top. Gilbert's on the bottom 5 times. Alright. Amanda, Browns, Packers, Chiefs, Patriots, Seahawks. Angie, Lions, Texans, Niners. Boatsy, Falcons, Bucks. Charles, Bills, Panthers, Cowboys, Broncos, Jags, Saints. Gilbert, Cardinals, Jets, Eagles, Steelers, Titans, Skins. James Cross, Ravens, Bears, Colts, Vikings, Giants. John, Dolphins. John Dunlap, Bengals, Chargers. Kevin, Raiders, and Rams. Any trades here, guys? Let me know. Niners for Cardinals. Alright, guys, we good to go? Good to go, good to go. Alright, let's get it on. Let's get it on, get it on, get it on. Sealed up. Sealed up. Sealed up. Okay. Alright, it is, what do we got here? Set 279315. And everybody says, go Steelers. Anybody recognize that signature? Number 23? Sure somebody knows. Anybody? For the Pittsburgh Steelers. Pittsburgh Steelers, Gilbert. Gilbert, there you go, man. You got yourself Pittsburgh Steelers autograph full-size football. There's only 5 footballs in that series. 24 a division or $6 a team. 5 times, guys. Top spot, free spot in the bonus break. Anybody know that signature? Number 23. Google on it for the Steelers. 4 is on defense. 5 times, Charles Simpson. All right, Charles, there you go, man. Free spot for you. That was number 20 on the football. Only 5 left. Number 20, premium football. Okay. Alright, guys, we haven't done a full-size autograph basketball in a minute. Got those floating around in here. But, yeah. Premium pack, guys, 3 divisions. 3 divisions in the premium pack. 10 in the 16 by 20. 7 divisions in the full-size lid. 6 left in the vault. Full-size basketball, 25. Premium football. Multi-sport premium jersey, baseball bat, premium mega, prism mega, mosaic mega, mini hockey, mini helmet. So, see what we got. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Nobody knows the signature? Nobody knows the signature? Wait, what? I thought I had closed it out. No. You and Gilbert both bought them after it was already closed and ran. Alright, guys, appreciate it. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you.